Hey, what is up guys? Welcome to RAM Overloaded. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to fix any DLL issues you've ever had. So when you're playing some games and you see some error sometimes that comes up like something.dll is missing or cannot find this DLL or is corrupted or anything, that usually happens during the installation, and some file got corrupted, it wasn't able to properly download, or something after the fact happened where that DLL just got corrupted or messed up or missing, something happened to it. So now we have to re-download that DLL. So rather than doing a reinstallation of the whole application, what you can do is just get that DLL and then reinstall or re-add it to wherever your location is. All right, so there's a website called dllfiles.com. So let's go there, dllfiles.com. Now over here will be all your DLLs that you will need. So it's been here for a while, so it is legit, even though the website looks a bit shady with all these ads on it. You do need to be careful which ad and what button you're clicking, because it most likely will be a download button on here. So let's say we're looking for OpenGL, right? So that is a pretty common DLL file that most games use, and it's one that usually does give issues. I've seen in the past. So once you search it, you'll see there's two different types. The error message will tell you what DLL file is missing, so you can just click that, search up that exact name. So let's just go to this OpenGL. All right, close this ad. All right, so now here we can see this is for the DLL, and you have to be careful to download. This is not the download button, even though it looks like it, but it's just an ad. Same with this one up here. What we want to do is click this download button right here, this one. So this is the actual download. So you click it, it will begin downloading in a few seconds. Let's just give it, so right there you see it downloading. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Once you get it, you can unzip it and put it in that location where the DLL is missing from. That is usually the installation file. So like, go to C programs, and then wherever the program is installed, go over there and just drag and drop it there. So yeah, that's pretty much it. If this video helped you solve your DLL issues, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. It definitely helps the videos out in the channel. I'd love making more for you guys. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below. I do like interacting with you guys, and yeah, let me know your thoughts. Thanks. Peace.